Okay, I'm going to see if I can massacre Darlin Corey for you. Written, doesn't have a date or an author, but it says that it was done by a lot of different people, including the Weavers, Doc Watson, the New Lost City Ramblers, Pete Seeger, etc., etc. Wake up, Darlin Corey. What makes you sleep so sound? The revenue offers are a-comin', gonna tear your steel house down. Go away, Darlin Corey. Quit hanging round my bed. Pretty women run me distracted. Foreign liquor's killing me dead. The first time I see Darlin Corey, she was standing by the door. Her shoes and stockings in her hands, and her feet all over the floor. The next time I saw Darlin Corey, she was standing by the banks of the sea, with a 44 round her body and a banjo on her knee. The last time I saw Darlin Corey, she had a wine glass in her hand. She was drinking away her trouble, like courting another man. Wake up, Darlin Corey. What makes you sleep so sound? The revenue offers are a-comin', gonna tear